could add him to the crew list now.
What time did you call this, Bill?
My name wasn't on the crew list. I couldn't come down until I changed that. Now line up. All lines clear. But they have After a warning assist requiring the pumping out of a vessel that was taking on water and in danger of sinking in the river, and then safely conducting the boat back to its home berth at the Mooloolaba Marina, our crew were assembled to assist a 44-foot steel sailing ketch with no drive from the pile moorings up to Laurie's boatyard. Okay, so from here across to all those lines are nice and tight. It was a bit tricky manoeuvring on this vessel in the river mouth and securing her and then extracting her from her mooring. Now, even though obviously rafted up and displaying our D flag, which indicates that we were limited in our ability to manoeuvre, a big trawler crossed our path and forced us to take avoiding action.
Let lines go.
Fair lines for release.
Behind the bow line, Richard.
Cheers. Thanks, buddy.
Okay, Richard, come in the line.
Let all lines go.
Yeah, line off.
Springs off, no springs off.
Bow lines off.
Bow line off.
Strings off.
Thanks, Rod.
No worries.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks,
Cheers.
Have a good one.
Other than that incident, the passage to the lorries was uneventful and the offer safely handed over to the boatyard. A busy day for Coast Guard and one that had positive outcomes for all concerned.